putting on some makeup with my gorgeous friend Wendy Lakshmi. Being an MC is not just about reading your script or creating difficult words or memorizing the event flow or having the loudest laugh or being pretty on stage. So being an MC takes more works than what the audience see on stage. We need a lot of preparation, but most importantly, we need to ask and learn who the host is, who the event owner is. We must know their industry, what kind of products and services they are delivering or they're selling to the audience or to their customers. We must know who will be presented on stage. We must learn their biography. Who are the audience we're talking to? What are their titles, their age? What are their occupation? Why the event was organized? Is there any specific objectives that the event want to achieve? So if we understand all of those, we actually can prepare the perfect wardrobe, what kind of makeup we need to be prepared. We can propose a better event flow. So as an MC, we can actually suggest revision or suggest a better flow to the event owner or to the event organizer. We can prepare a more suitable wardrobe. Should we wear a very traditional business wear or more contemporary style? Should we wear like batik, like andek, the traditional costume? So we can suggest that if we understand the event in a total package. We know how to act on stage, we know how to interact with the audience. So that kind of understanding, not just the event that we see as the event rundown, but the content and the vein that's running in the event, if we understand that very well, we can develop ourselves to be a better MC.